Today we'll take you through the setup process for an Optilux digital lighting kit. It contains a Euro reflector, digital ballast and a 600 watt dual spectrum lamp. We'd also recommend investing in a pair of easy rolls to hang the reflector, which will make it much easier to adjust the height. Connect the IEC end of the power cable to the ballast and plug the other end into the timer. Now we're ready to connect the ballast up to the reflector cable. You can choose your output setting with options ranging between 250 watts and 660 watt boost mode. Make sure that you remove the protective film from the reflector. If you don't, it's going to melt, ruin the reflector and present a potential fire hazard. When you install the lamp, always handle it with a cloth or gloves to stop oils or dirt from getting onto the surface. Residues will reduce output efficiency and they can even cause hot spots that lead to lamp damage. Once the lamp's screwed in place, the setup process is complete and you can hang the reflector in the centre of your tent. Program your timer, plug it into a wall socket and switch on the power. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.